Okay, so we're here, the waterfall with Kale Reed. Don't know him, go subscribe to his channel. It's just Kale Reed. Yeah, so we're here at the waterfall, and we're gonna try and work on the water slide. So let's go. Parkour. Guys, I think there's something in there. Oh God. Oh. So the water's coming down. We got here what we did last time, and we're trying to get the water to go down there on the water side. But we're stuffing moss down into the little cracks to stop the water from leaking. So you can see it's not really working out so well. What are you doing? Well, see, like, we gotta cover all this up with moss so it can go down there. Well, I think now to get all the water moving, we're gonna like build something like right here, like out of rocks and stuff, to make it all come like down here. So guys, we started building this up, but we tested the slide, and look, it slides. You can actually slide on it. That's awesome. Okay, so guys, this is it. Let's get some water. That on, and there it goes. Now, we will have more parts to this. If you want to see part 2 down here at the river, make sure to comment you want to see more, like, and subscribe. We need to reach 200. Here's how we clean up. Yep, we get in there. Our heads rinsed and it's so cold.